Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programmer guy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to upload TikTok videos on YouTube without copyright. So guys, this is basically very easy to do. Now the first step to take is to, of course, open your TikTok app, log into your device, and then from your home page you have to select a video that you would like to upload on YouTube. Now once you find a video that you would like to upload on YouTube, click on the share icon and then save this video on your device by clicking on the save video icon, and then it will be saved on your device. Now after saving this video on your device, if you want to make sure that this video would not attract any copyright issues, then before uploading this video on YouTube, make sure you remove the TikTok watermark on this video. If you don't know how to do that, you can check out this link right here. And also, if you want to ensure that this video would not attract any copyright issue, you need to make sure that it doesn't contain any copyright material such as images or music. And also you need to make sure that the video has not been uploaded on YouTube before. So guys, these are the things you need to consider before uploading this video on YouTube, in order not to attract any copyright issues. So guys, this is all about it. So I hope this guide was helpful. If you think it was, give this video a like and follow, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.